Hello bladers. We can never avoid unexpected occurrences. However, when we're prepared, we can always get through them. And like all things, car mishaps are no exemption. When driving, you'll never know when you need that spare tire, so better have one prepared just in case. For those who own a car, here's the tools you should have in your car. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Basic things everyone needs in their cars. Number 1, tire pressure gauge. This is probably the tool you'll use the most from the list. It's important to do weekly checkups on your tire's pressure to avoid accidents. Grab the Goodyear Tire Pressure Gauge GDY002 or any model that's perfect for you at any blade outlet. Number 2, extra tire. Flat tires can be a pain and a huge hassle if you don't have a spare. So the next time you drive, make sure you have an extra one that fits perfectly for your car. Number 3, jumper cable. You'll never know when your car's battery might fail. Invest in a jumper cable that's ready to start your car anytime, anywhere. Try sourcing for one that's convenient and easy to use, like our OMP Jump Starter. Number 4, tool set. When things come loose, this might be your lifesaver. Try out our Tolson 9 pieces hand tools set. Though there might be a ton of different tools in the set, it's best to know each of their functionality to maximize their use. Number 5, flashlight. A basic necessity you should never miss putting in your car. After all, you'll never know, you might get stuck in the middle of the night somewhere where there's no lamppost. So better pack up a flashlight, and add a few extra batteries just in case. Number 6, duct tape. No, we're serious, you do need duct tape in your car. One of its many wonders is it can be a temporary fix to patch up your car until you arrive at a car repair shop. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.